Picture this. You post something online, maybe a quick video, a meme, or a product update. At first it's just a few likes, a comment here and there, but then, boom. Out of nowhere, the numbers start skyrocketing, hundreds, thousands of shares, notifications are blowing up, people are tagging, friends, commenting, and suddenly, your content has gone viral. It's exciting, right? Seeing something you created resonate with so many people. But here's the reality check. Going viral is like winning the lottery. It's thrilling, yes, but it can also get overwhelming very fast. With all eyes on you, what you do next matters a lot. So, how do you handle the sudden wave of attention? What should you say, or more importantly, what shouldn't you say? Today, I'm walking you through the do's and don'ts of handling a viral moment like this. From managing the buzz to making the most of your time in the spotlight, and even how to avoid the biggest mistakes brands make when they go viral. Let's jump in and make sure that when you go viral, it's a ride worth taking. First of all, monitor the buzz. So your post is viral and it's reaching more people by the second. The first thing you need to do is stop. Take a breath and listen. It's not just about how many people shared or liked it. It's about understanding what people are saying and, most importantly, how they're saying it. Are the comments overwhelmingly positive, neutral, or is there some criticism creeping in? Each reaction tells a different story, and knowing the vibe will guide your next move. This is where a tool like Brand24 becomes a game changer. Brand24 doesn't just track mentions, it analyzes the sentiment behind those mentions in real time. Imagine this. Instead of sifting through thousands of comments, Brand24 gives you an overview. It's the sentiment mostly positive, or are there red flags you need to address? Having this insight is crucial to your business. For example, say you're a small fashion brand and your latest product launch has gone viral. Comments are pouring in, "I love this style, so unique." But then you start noticing comments like, "Does it fit true to size? I wish they made this in plus sizes." Brand24 helps you spot this trend before it becomes a customer service issue. Or imagine you're a tech company and just launched a new app, and some users point out bugs. By watching these comments, you can respond in real time with solutions or updates. These insights aren't just for damage control, they help you capture feedback, whether positive, constructive, or negative. Spotting PR risks early lets you control the conversation and shows people you're listening. Before you hit reply or make announcements, use tools like Brand24 to get a clear picture of the sentiment around your viral moment. This isn't just about managing the moment, it's about setting the tone for the conversation that follows. Step 2, engage with your community. All right, so you've got a handle on the sentiment. Now it's time to engage with your audience. Viral moments are more than just a numbers game. They're a chance to connect with real people who care about what you're doing. Engage meaningfully. It's tempting to say, "Thanks for the support," and move on. But these moments are when genuine connections matter most. Let's break down what engaging actually looks like. Say someone comments, "I love this, but does it come in more colors?" Use this as a chance to reply thoughtfully. "We're working on it. Any colors you'd like to see?" Suddenly, you're not just responding, but creating a conversation and inviting them into your brand's story. You'll see a mix of feedback when you go viral. It could be positive, neutral, and sometimes very negative. Don't shy away from constructive criticism. Show that you're listening and that you care. For example, if someone says, "I had issues with shipping," acknowledge their concern. Respond like, "We're sorry to hear that. Let's fix this for you. Feel free to DM us your order number and we can fix it." This can turn a potentially unhappy customer into a loyal one. There's a fine line between engaging and overwhelming your community. Some brands reply to every comment with the same generic message or have it automated. This can feel robotic. Instead, personalize your replies. If several users ask the same question, pin a comment with a response. If you notice a trend in feedback, like feature requests or availability in questions, address it in a separate post. Imagine you're a skincare brand that launched a viral product and people are asking about ingredients. Take this chance to reply in detail, highlighting what makes your product unique. Handling all this engagement can be intense, so setting up a quick action plan helps. Assign one person or a team to focus on responding to comments. This way, each response can be thorough and genuine. Remember, viral moments are about people, not just numbers. When you engage authentically, you turn casual viewers into new followers. Leverage the attention. You're monitoring the buzz, you're engaging with the community, and now it's time to make this viral moment work for you. Viral moments are like lightning in a bottle, exciting, intense, but they don't last long. So the question is, how do you make the most of it without coming off as spammy or desperate? Start by thinking about what you want people to do next. Viral moments bring in new eyes, so guide them towards something beneficial for both them and your brand. The key is to make the next step feel natural, not forced. Let's say you're an artist and your work went viral. Encourage people to check out your online store for more artwork, or offer a limited edition print. A gentle CTA like, see more in my shop, fits naturally with their interest. Or imagine you're a small business that went viral for a product video. Offer a small discount or a limited time offer for new customers. For everyone who discovered us here, we're offering a special discount for the next 48 hours. Remember the balance. Overwhelming people with CTAs can backfire. Viral moments have people paying attention, so no need to keep shouting. Some people are subtle, hey, if you're interested, here's a link to learn more. That's all you need. Another approach, give your audience a reason to stick around. Viral moments are quick, but the relationships you build during them can last. Pro tip, use this moment to grow your email list or community. Social media followers are great, but they can be unpredictable. A quick CTA inviting people to join your email list gives you a direct line to loyal supporters. To recap, encourage people to take the next step, like visiting your website or exploring more content. Keep it light and authentic. People don't want to feel they're being sold to, especially right after discovering your content. Offer them value, and they'll be more likely to engage with your brand. Common mistakes and how to avoid them. Mistake number 1, ignoring negative feedback. Viral attention brings all kinds of opinions, and not all of them will be glowing. Ignoring negative feedback can seem dismissive and might even lead to more frustration. Fix. Acknowledge criticism respectfully. If someone comments, this product looks great, but mine arrived damaged, respond with, we're sorry to hear that. Please DM us your order number so we can make this right. Mistake number 2, overwhelming with excessive CTAs. It's natural to want to capture as much attention as possible, but constant CTAs can backfire. People come for your content, not to be bombarded with marketing. Fix. Keep CTAs subtle and relevant. Use 1 or 2 strategic CTAs that guide interested people to the next step. Mistake number 3, being unprepared for a surge in demand. Viral attention often means a sudden increase in interest, orders, or inquiries. If you're not ready, it can lead to issues with supply support or fulfillment. Fix. Have a quick action plan. Set up an FAQ to handle the most common questions since going viral. Mistake number 4, not following up after the viral moment. Going viral isn't just a one-time event, it's a chance to build long-term relationships. If you don't follow up, you risk letting all the momentum fizzle out. Fix. Have a post-viral plan. Mistake number 5, failing to document lessons learned. Viral moments are rare, and each one is a goldmine of data and insights. Brands that don't analyze what worked or didn't miss out on valuable lessons. Fix. Assess the experience afterwards. Document the experience to prepare for future success when the next viral moment happens. When your brand goes viral, every second counts. With Brand24, you can keep up with the buzz, engage in real time, and make the most of every opportunity all in one place. Our AI doesn't just analyze sentiment, it actually gets what your audience is saying. Yes, even sarcasm. So when it's time to turn the viral moment into long-term success, Brand24 is here to help you understand your brand's health in minutes. Ready to dive into our insights? Get a free trial below and start monitoring your brand sentiment today.